The best Easter eggs ever. The Best Easter Eggs Ever by Jerry Smath. Springtime had finally come and Easter was almost here. This was a busy time for Easter Bunny, who painted all the Easter eggs himself. Each of Easter Bunny's little helpers had a special job to do too. Willa Bunny was in charge of weaving the Easter baskets. Jelly Bean Bunny filled them with marshmallows, chicks, chocolate, and jelly beans. And Bella Bunny tied a beautiful bow to the handle of each basket. "I like your polka dot eggs," she said to Easter Bunny. "Thank you," said Easter Bunny, "but I need new design for my eggs this year. I see polka dots even when I am not painting them. Can we help you?" asked his helpers. Easter Bunny thought a while, then said, "Maybe you can." Easter Bunny handed each of them an unpainted egg and a paint box with brushes. "Let's have an Easter egg painting contest," he said. "Whoever paints the best Easter egg wins, and the winner can paint their design on all the Easter eggs this year." The three little bunnies cheered. Then each one went in a different direction, hoping to find something pretty to paint. "Be back in time for dinner," called Easter Bunny. "We are having carrot stew tonight." Willa Bunny loved the seashore, so that's where she went. While curious seagulls looked on, she scanned the beach for something interesting to paint. It didn't take long. Not far away stood a tall lighthouse with bold red stripes. Willa took out her widest brush and painted those same red stripes on her egg. Because he loved spring colors, Jelly Bean Bunny such took him to the country. Spring flowers everywhere showed off their beautiful colors as if to say, "Paint me." So this is just what Jelly Bean Bunny did. Using his prettiest color, he painted flowers on his egg. Bella Bunny walked and walked, but he didn't see anything she wanted to paint. Then looking up, she saw fluffy white clouds floating across the blue sky. One looked like a bird, another looked like a carrot. One cloud even looked like Easter Bunny. Bella thought the cloud would be fun to paint on her egg. But when she spotted the paint them, the wind blew the clouds further away over the woods. Bella kept running after them. Deeper and deeper into the woods she ran. Suddenly the sky grew dark and the clouds disappeared. Bella Bunny found herself tired and alone, without ever having painted her eggs. She was trying to find a way out of the dark woods when the moon suddenly appeared. Then one by one the stars began to fill the night sky. Suddenly Bella knew what her Easter egg design would be. She took out her brush and by the light of the moon started painting her egg with golden stars. Easter Bunny was in the kitchen cooking his stew when Willa and Jelly Bean returned. "Where is Bella?" he asked. "On our way here, we saw her running into the woods," said his helper. Easter Bunny was worried. "We must go and look for her right away," he said. Using flashlights to light their way, Easter Bunny, Willa, and Jellybean went into the dark woods. Bella, 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 they called as they searched. Finally, they found her. She was sound asleep in her wheelbarrow. Easter Bunny gently picked up his little sleeping helper. Then Jellybean led the way out of the woods. Once at home, all three bunnies were put to bed. It's been a busy day for all of you, said Easter Bunny. Tomorrow, after a good night's rest, I'll look at your eggs you have painted. When morning came, Willa Bunny was the first to hop out of the bed. Wake up, everyone, she called. Today, Easter Bunny picked up one of the best designs for his Easter eggs. Here he comes now, Bella said sleepily. The bunnies proudly held up their eggs. Easter bunnies looked at each one very carefully. I've never seen such bold red stripes, he said to Willa. And look at those pretty flowers, he said to Jellybeans. Your stars shine brighter than the little real ones, he said to Bella. You all win the contest, said Easter Bunny. I want all of your designs on my Easter egg this year. Then he hung a bright gold medal on each of their creations. The three bunnies were overjoyed. They started to paint the eggs right away. Willa Bunny painted her bold red stripes. Jellybean Bunny painted his pretty flowers, and Bella Bunny painted her shining gold stars. Easter Bunny smiled as he watched his little helper at work. This year's Easter egg will be the best Easter eggs ever, he said.